Alright, welcome back guys. In the last video we did all the repairs on this chassis and it's pretty much ready to go. But before we send it off to prep it for paint, we're going to do one quick modification and that's to turn this fixed cross member into a removable cross member, and it's for the transmission. This is a pretty accepted modification on these cars. What it allows you to do is it allows you to pull the transmission without doing a full engine pull out if you ever run into trouble down the track. The method I'm using is from a video I saw on a channel called Naked Off-Road. I'll put that in the description below. And he basically showed the finished product, so I thought I'd do a very quick video on the process to help you guys out. But it should be a nice quick one today. Let's get into it. And there we go, one removable cross member. The bolts I had were a little long, we had to space them out with some washers, but we'll get the correct bolts at a later date, maybe.
It won't happen.
It probably won't happen. But yeah, pretty simple. I mean,
it's a good idea, like Naked Off-Road said, keep the original member going. That way you don't lose your measurements. And as long as these are in the same place as they started, you're laughing. Just before we go, I've marked them right and left so that whenever we take it out, it goes back in the right way. It shouldn't matter if you've done it correctly, but, you know, make for the less fuck-uppery.